Hi, my name's Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough of our newly traded in LX23. This is a 2022 Bennington LX 23 foot with a 225 Mercury. This has a ski tow bar, in-floor storage, the Simrad control. Beautiful, beautiful boat, as you can see. Immaculate, only has 47 hours on it. This boat will be on our website at MarineMaxGreenville.com. It's going to be in the store. And you can give us a call at 864-236-9005. Amazing boat. Almost a brand new, beautiful boat. Out here at beautiful Lake Kiwi. Doing this walkthrough today. This also has another feature. It has the electric bimini table, removable cup holders. So come on out. Check out this boat. Give you a little more look-see of it here. Deluxe swing back, so you know, for the 4-position seating. Keeper rail, lots of features on this boat. Really excited to be getting this boat in. Come on out, like I said, to our MarineMax store and check this out. 23LX swing back with the Mercury 225.